Okay, time coming on to 12:11, Wednesday the 11th of December 2019. This will be Hykeham's 12:10 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. We could get Belle next between the Northern Belle and the Sandite. This could go badly wrong, and it probably will. So I'm not coming back to see the Northern Belle when it's completely dark. You won't be able to see it. Sandite's passing Swinderby. Charters awaiting the road at Lincoln Central. Alright, this one should be here momentarily. There will be a link in the description to a recently filmed driver's cab view down this railway line. Don Coffey uploaded it a couple of days ago. It shows the driver's cab view between Derby, Nottingham, Lincoln Central and back to Loughborough. Link once again is in the description on the very top line. Here we are. All 58812. Okay, time is 12:17. This will be the 12:20 Deutsche Bahn cargo service from Stapleford and San Diego to Towton. But also the Northern Belle, the 12:12 West Coast Railway service from Lincoln Central to Ely. Charter's just left Lincoln Central, giving a delay to their 12:10 Peterborough because it would have been occupying the junction due to, of course, the short platforms. I think the barriers might go up in between trains, but the roads are incredibly busy that it makes that highly unlikely. And up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next minute's videos. Literally. Okay, time is 12:22. This will be the Northern Belle, the delayed 12:12 West Coast Railway service from Lincoln Central to Ely. Was running with a delay of 11 minutes, but it's had to slow for Booton Crossing, as we both went up after that last train that went about 4 minutes ago. Oh. Just check something through fast route. Hang on. Right. So they're set swapping the first train we saw out for the 2 Tango 4-1 over at Lincoln Central. So whatever we end up seeing like the next 20 minutes, say, will form the train back to Leicester again. Then it's probably just a single carriage that then be pulled at Nottingham. I don't know where he is, but he's running incredibly late. He's only expecting a couple of minutes, so not too bad. He's only 3 minutes down, reporting a train fault. Where's the Northern Belle then? Because he's, what, 14 minutes down, coming on to Charters River, never on time. This has got a train fault as well. Then later it's got a diagram from Ely to Grantham, back round through here again. is coming very, very slowly. It should be 57601 and 314. And they're going to go up. Minuscule amber light. Okay, time is 12:29. This will be the 12:26 East Midlands Railway service from Newark Northgate to Grimsby Town, which will set us up at Lincoln Central, and the 12:30 East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate. Okay, first train just passing Bootham. Second train should be getting ready to depart Hykeham about now, because it's been there about 2 minutes. So we'll see what's going to happen. Either way, we are staying for both. Okay, this way first. One 53355 for Newark. Road's completely packed out. Busy that way, right down, and over there. Okay, train 2. 153382. it does appear to be having a couple of problems. Right, off we go. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.